Welcome to ScriptCase, the low-code platform that helps you create complete and professional systems with speed and flexibility. In this video, I'll introduce you to the new version of reCAPTCHA integrated with the secured model. Within the version 9.12 of ScriptCase, we have updated the library for reCAPTCHA from Google. It's a secure tool used to differentiate a human user from bots. It has different versions, with the main ones being reCAPTCHA v2 and reCAPTCHA v3. Both versions are supported now for ScriptCase, and the version 3 is different from the version 2. It's completely invisible, so it doesn't require user interaction. It is based on a scoring. It analyzes user behavior on the page and generates the score from 0 to 1. And then, depending on the score, you will be approved or not. And it has more control. The website can decide what to do based on the score. So if you compare, for example, version 2 with version 3, the version 2 requires user interaction. You need to click there to say that you're not a robot. Then the version 3 does not require this interaction. There is a challenge within the version 2, a checkbox, image selection, or invisible mode. And the reCAPTCHA version 3 is completely invisible, score-based validation only, automatic level, moderate on reCAPTCHA v2, and high on reCAPTCHA with v3. We have some user cases, for example, for the version 2, forms, login pages, registration, and version 3 continuous monitoring of website activity, bot detection, and the version 2 would be best for when user validation via challenge is acceptable, and the version 3 when seamless security without user disruption is needed. So version 2 is not diet. You can still use it depending on your need. So we are going to have both versions available on ScriptCase, and I'll show you how to set it. So which one should you choose? If you need direct validation and visual challenge, version 2. If you prefer more discrete and automated system, version 3. But then let's see inside ScriptCase how to implement that. So I have here a login screen. I will run it. So we have here the version 3 implemented. You will see that it's going to appear here, protected by reCAPTCHA. So it's already being protected. I can log inside the system and I don't need to interact with the reCAPTCHA. So just log normally. Okay, so secured model, and then we have, I'm going to use the user connection, so here we have normal settings of secured model, and the reCAPTCHA options will be inside login area. Let me add here a new prefix. Then you have use CAPTCHA. We have the traditional one with the internal library, and we have the reCAPTCHA. Okay, so here we are going to have to fill the secret and the site key, and you are going to get it from Google. I have here this page, reCAPTCHA, inside Google Developers Tool, and you're going to give a name to your project. Then you choose here reCAPTCHA type, score-based or challenge, v2 or v3. In this case, I'm choosing v3. Domains, I'm going to add here the domains for my website. In this case, we have here, for example, demo.scriptcase.com. I have to add like this without the HTTP. And then submit. Google will generate the side key and the secret key. I'm going to copy side key and secret. Okay, and then continue generating my secret model. This is very fast and easy to implement. After you finish, you're going to have the option apply it. Inside the login screen application, which is a control application, you have here the security options, and here you're going to be able to choose the type of reCAPTCHA that you are going to use. In this case, if you want to use the version 2 or the version 3, so it is also available here inside the security in case you want to change, or if you need to change the side key and the secret key. Let's say you're using a test one and then you need to change for the production, you can use this interface to make this change. So this is how you can implement reCAPTCHA within the security model. Is like that. I hope you like it, this new option. If you haven't used ScriptCase yet, this is the perfect time to get started. Sign up for a free trial and experience the power of ScriptCase firsthand. So see you next video. Bye bye.